In this video, I will show you how to use camera in a smartwatch. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to find out camera app. So here you can see this is camera app, and sometimes your smartwatch have the camera on the top of your screen or sometimes in the back side of your camera. But in my case, I have camera in this side button. So just open camera app, and right now I just need to open this side button, and here you can see camera already open. Right now I can move and take a photo. So here you can see I just move it for back, and right now I can take a photo. Here you can see just tap over it and photo already taken. So here you can see. So guys, in this way you can very easily take photo from your smartwatch, or you can easily use camera on your smartwatch. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.